I think we're rolling.
Oh,
Okay.
Can you see yourself?
I don't, but
I do.
okay.
H-
Hi, welcome to Travels with Dean.
How's that angle?
Looks good. I think it looks good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome to Travels with Dean. Today we're going down Middlefork Crow River. And we'll be coming out when we get to Ness Lake. Come on along. Better off having it right direction. Probably.
Do you want me to like hold the paddle and you get in and then hand you the paddle?
I think that would be the best.
Okay. Unless, of course, I start moving.
I'm trying to think of how.
How we did this, but
Did Steve hold on to the back like the rope
You
in
could-
the back when you got in? Nady, I'll get out of the way.
okay. Then I can't remember. It was a little easier the other way, but this is. I think I gotta move that life jacket or sit on it.
I think this is the hardest part.
Yep.
Yeah. I think I'm going to move it a little bit farther forward so you can hang on to that part, okay? Pretty easy getting in. But life jackets isn't so comfortable. Well, I want to adjust the life jacket. I think I'd rather not have it in here. That's good enough. Okay, you know, it's better current. It's easier.
You're going weird. Do you think that's going to be easier? You're not the first person to have done that. I think you can get.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nope.
Push. You can't.
Nope. Nope.
No.
I think you've got to go.
All right.
All right. See you in a few hours.
You're setting out.
Okay, it's about 3 hours. Anyway. But I don't have to take people with me. I have them empty out their canoes. This is a tricky place to go underneath.
Someone should probably report that leak. Nope, I can already tell I'm gonna regret having this tied onto my bow. Is there any way you could pull into the grass so I could get you to untie it? Because if it hooks on something, I'm gonna be in trouble.
Let's see if you can keep yours back there. Do you want me to tie it onto a different place?
Nope, I just don't want it outside the... It'll just make it easier to grab if things go in now.
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna back up, let you go first.
Oh, there
Not a
goes
big...
again. Oh, you have an invisible friend. Thank you.
Sorry.
Where's my paddle? I got it. Where's my paddle? There you go.
Morning. Morning. Whew. That's gonna be tight. Yeah. Super glad I didn't have that orange thread hanging out front. Bittersweet?
Yeah, I think so.
American bittersweet. Hopefully. Yep, sitting on the life jacket is not... It's good padding, but it sits me up too high. Oh, the water's just gorgeous.
It is. This was less current and certainly less wind than I went last time. But it's a reasonable current.
Yeah. Boy, I kind of just want to follow that group.
You know, they'd be a lot of excitement.
Mm-hmm. It's probably like walking through each one of those obstacles.
They could be. Yep.
Is that some swamp? Milkweed? Oh, a fish just jumped right there. Tiny little guy.
Going upstream?
Well, the 11 people that you probably just passed are waiting very patiently.
You know you're going to be waiting longer.
Really?
They were a little slow.
They were just about all in their boats by the time we passed.
And some already out of it.
Hey, Dad, you're ringing.
I know. I'm getting a FaceTime call from my granddaughter, I think.
Oh, that would be a perfect conversation.
Yeah.
I know, but I don't think I want to take my phone out. Yeah. You're going to be waiting a while.
Well, I think I started to hear him catch up to one of the obstacles.
Starting to move. This might be where Mom got stuck.
On those things, or
No, around there.
around this corner? Okay. Is that Nommer maple?
This is the perfect flow for a large group of people.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, once you get through those down trees back there, this is a real nice width and speed. Do you have polarized lenses on? Oh, there's a bass.
Well, there's some nice lily fish.
Mm-hmm. You sure it's that way?
What? Be a dead end.
Nope.
You can go. One.
Arrow root? Yeah. If it's like an old, dock hookup or something, or just to annoy kayakers. Next time we widen out, you should double check I'm not getting brim in my shot.
I can see it would be almost impossible.
Okay. It's just I think it's a real wide angle, that's all.
It's about 4 inches above. Then, we're going to put it pointed down. It would have to be pointed down.
I just think it's a real wide angle lens.
Yep, probably is. Should I stop and look at it?
Sure, if this is... Nah, we'll keep going. How about right here? Just a quick look. You should be able to see the view.
I can't see it at all.
Is it just turned off?
There? Yeah. I think so.
It might just be saving power and recording. Then whatever. We'll find out. If all, you know, worst cases, we have to do it again. Yep. Sorry.
It was a good experience.
Mm-hmm.
Where'd the batteries?
It was at 96%. I doubt the battery's dead. I think it's just saving
Okay.
by not displaying.
Okay.
Because I didn't hear it beep off or anything. I thought that was a spray painted log for a second, not a plastic armchair. Mm.
I'd like to thank my son Nathan for doing a lot of the work. He was the videographer, he was the commentator, he helped me lift the kayaks in, lift the kayaks out, and he was a pleasant companion. Thanks, Nate.
Mm-hmm. Because there's those ladies walking earlier, or
Yeah.
lady and some other person.
There were two geese that just floated back into the
Oh.
spot.
Won't this be exciting to capture? Me being attacked. Geese swam back there. Oh boy. Can I get low enough? Okay, if you're slowing down, I gotta really slow down. Want a hand?
I think I can get it.
Well, I'm about to bump. I'm just gonna pull you and help you because this does not look like you're gonna get it. Here, help me. Let me just help. What do you want?
I was gonna get my phone. Thank you.
I'm resealing.
Okay.
I'm pushing you away. There's a little bit of an overhang. You should turn and look for a second. Not real obstacles, but sort of obstacles.
Well, we made it out. We hauled our kayaks up at a friend's house on Nets Lake, and Karen came and picked us up in the Suburban. We packed it up, dried off, changed clothes, and came back here, 100 yards upstream of where we entered with our kayaks. This is Goat Ridge Brewery, and it also makes this a place I love. This is a map of the area we kayaked. The yellow line on there is the route we took on the river. You can see how it meanders. It started in New London at the top of the map and ended at Ness Lake at the bottom of the map. It took us about 2 hours. However, under normal conditions, without so much current, I think it would more likely take 3 hours. This area is all part of the Alexandria Moraine. The moraine extends from Detroit Lakes, curving down to Wilmer. It is the sand and rocks left by the last glacier. It turns out to be very lovely with hills and lakes. The lakes were kettle lakes or ice-blocked lakes where the glacier was melting. But it leaves a beautiful place to live and play.